Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you a cleansing micellar water review. Watch on for more details. Simple cleansing micellar water. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how is the packaging? The packaging is very good quality packaging, and this product, it comes in a plastic bottle with a green cap, and this product easily available at anywhere, and this product is very lightweight and it feels on the skin just like water, and the product comes in a many different sizes, and this product is very affordable. If you like a lightweight micellar water, this product is perfect for you. So now I'm saying that how works on skin this product. Simple micellar cleansing water is most advanced yet gentle cleanse to date. It is made with skin loving ingredients including vitamin B3 and C and triple purified water and purest possible water to help remove contaminants known to irritate skin. These beauty benefits include truly cleans, removing makeup, dirt, impurities and unclogging pores, instantly hydrates skin, made with triple purified water, skin loving ingredients and multivitamin, instantly boosts skin hydration by 90%, and no residue, applied with a cotton round. Simple micellar cleansing water leaves your skin feeling fresh and revitalized. No rinsing required. So this product is very useful for our skin, and this product is very affordable prices as compared to similar products in the market, and this product is fragrance free. Especially this is suitable for all skin types like dry, normal, combination or oily, but this product also suitable for sensitive skin, especially sensitive skin, and this product easy to use. Just pour a generous amount on the cotton pad, removes oil, dirt and makeup very well, and this product is very hydrating and refreshing, and no harsh chemicals and no dyes and no artificial color. So this product is very useful for our skin and very safe. So now I'm saying that how to use this product. Step 1. Apply a generous amount to a cotton pad. Step 2. Wipe the cotton pad all around the face. No need to rub the skin. And step 3. Gently wipe and close your eyes and getting into your and avoid getting into your eyes. No need to rinse after. So this product is very useful for our skin, and this product designed for sensitive skin but loved for all skin types. If you want to need a good micellar water, this product is perfect for you. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends.